The third generation of Doston Folding container house was put into production and achieved rapid development, highly recognized by the market and customers. Let's introduce in detail the unique features of Doston Folding container house. 1. Dorston Folding container house saves space. In folded state, the height of the folding box is only 35 centimeters. 2. Doston Folding container house saves shipping costs. A 40-foot container can hold 14 folding boxes, saving shipping costs. Transportation in the same city or long-distance engineering projects can save users about 50% of freight costs. 3. Dorston Folding container house save time. A double layer can be installed in 15 minutes. 3 people can complete a 600 square meter container room in one day. Installation and entry and exit save labor. Higher efficiency. 4. The dimensions of the Doston Folding container house are 6 meters long and 3 meters wide. 2.6 meters high. Weight up to 1,265 kilograms. Frame material adopts patented profile. Design with high inside and low outside. Effective wind protection. Safe and solid structure. 5. Internal space. Integrated electrification system. No need for secondary construction. Can accommodate 5 bunk beds. Extra large built-in space. Beautiful and more comfortable. 6. Dorston Folding container house can be retracted freely. 1 pole forming. The base and each wall are connected with high-strength galvanized hinges. Fold repeatedly, not easily deformed. After 15 years of continuous innovation in research and development, and on Doston. Obtained folding house frame profile. 13 utility model patent certificates including folding box fixing device. The cumulative sales volume of container houses has reached more than 20,000. Widely used in construction sites, project departments, dormitories, camps outside offices, temporary assistance housing, scenic B&Bs and other places.